Here's how to use your flint change parts kit. You will see in the kit you get a spring, a flint and a bit suitable for removing the flint wheel button. Always make sure that you grip the flint wheel. Do not try and stop it turning with the striker key or with the gear underneath if you've exposed it. Place the bit into the slotted key and using a typical bit screwdriver or similar, unfasten. In our case we have the historic protector lamp tool. Carefully unscrew. They're not particularly tight because it's brass on brass. Remove the flint wheel button, place safely to one side, unscrew the flint housing cap and remove with the spring, place it to one side. The spring in that one looks good, so it doesn't necessarily need changing. Then remove the flint wheel, remembering which side up. The easiest way is just place it on your worktop and put it back in the same position. Tap the flint out and then you are ready to reverse the procedure. So place the flint wheel correctly on the spindle. It's a square hole in the centre, so you just need to make sure it engages. Then replace the flint wheel button. Find the thread and screw on gently. Grip the flint wheel again with pliers and gently tighten the flint wheel button. Again, don't over tighten because it's brass on brass, it will bind on the steel flint wheel, which is hardened. Then take your new flint. You'll notice the difference. Lots of the lamps have the flint you can see on the left, which has a smaller outside diameter. We recommend the larger diameter flints, as the smaller ones tend to bind in the tube. Place the flint into the tube, the flint housing tube, and place your spring in the flint housing cap. It's a lot easier doing it that way than putting it in separately. Insert the spring into the tube. Apply pressure until you find the thread and gently screw on. You only need to do it finger tight and you can adjust it afterwards. You need to make sure you get a decent share of sparks. With the striker key, put your key in position. position, and there you go, sparking away. All the parts, the flint change parts, kits, non-asbestos washers for in the glass plate, can be bought at protectlamp.com in our shop.